Hello, kids. Welcome back to our fun and exciting learning channel. Today, we are going to learn something super cool. How to do addition with carrying. Are you ready? Let's jump right into it. Here's today's question. We are adding 37 and 5. Let me show you how to solve it step by step. Step 1. Write the numbers in vertical columns. Write 37 in the tens and ones columns. Write 5 in the ones column, right below the 7. Step 2 now, let's add the ones column. What's 7 plus 5? Think about it. Yes, it's 12. But wait, 12 is a two-digit number. So we'll write 2 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens column. Step 3. Write 2 in the ones column and place the 1 carryover in the teens column above the 3. That's it. Almost done. Step 4. Now let's add the tens column. Add 3 plus 1. Carry over. What's the answer? That's right. It's 4. Write 4 in the tens column and there you have it. The answer is 42. So, when you add 37 and 5, you get 42. See how easy that was. Great job, everyone. That's all for today's lesson, kids. Now it's your turn to practice addition with carrying. If you had fun learning with us, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun math lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.